Are you ready to unlock the secrets of risk taking? In today's fast paced world, embracing risk is essential for personal and professional growth. The Art of Risk by KK Ria dives deep into the psychology and practicality of taking risks. Let's explore how you can transform your life by mastering the art of risk taking. Life presents crucial moments when we must decide between the safe route or pursuing our dreams. According to Ria, taking risks is vital for personal development. While safe choices offer limited success, real breakthroughs require courage to step into the unknown. But how does our brain react to risk? When faced with new opportunities, our minds assess potential dangers and benefits. During these moments, fear and uncertainty can overwhelm us. However, a rational approach combined with a positive mindset helps us overcome fear. By training our brains, we can make better decisions. Ria categorizes risk into three types. Personal risks connect with our relationships and health. For instance, learning a new skill involves personal risk. Professional risks relate to our careers. Leaving a stable job to start a new business exemplifies this. Social risks impact our identity and relationships, like expressing opinions on a public platform. So, how can we effectively take risks? The book offers practical strategies. Gather information. Before taking risks, collect as much information as possible. It aids in making informed decisions. Take small steps. Start with minor risks to build confidence for larger decisions. Face your fears. Recognize and transform fear into positive thoughts. Understanding fear rather than ignoring it is crucial. Believe in yourself. Trust your decisions, knowing you can handle the outcomes. Confidence is key to taking the right risks. Inspiring real-life examples abound in Ria's book. One highlights an entrepreneur who left a steady job to launch a startup. Despite initial hurdles, his hard work and sound choices led to significant success. The message of The Art of Risk is clear. Taking risks is integral to our success. If you desire change and want to realize your dreams, mastering the art of risk-taking is essential. The book also teaches us to convert fear and failure into opportunities. In conclusion, The Art of Risk is both inspiring and educational. It emphasizes that taking risks is not only necessary but the foundation of our success. With the right mindset, planning and courage, we can turn any risk into an advantage. Remember, it's the risk takers who rewrite history, seeing possibilities where others do not. So, what will you risk today to reshape your future? Don't wait. Embrace the art of risk.